This is tutorial number 123, and it covers how to insert drawing views within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is included on the DVD. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to take this part and we're going to insert it into the drawing. So from it, we're going to be able to create our front view, top view, side view, and our isometric view. So you get your three views plus your pictorial isometric view that you would need to create your drawings. So to do this, to start off, let's open up a new drawing file. Let's click File, click New, click Drawing, click OK. Now we're going to have to choose the sheet size. Let's choose A2, click OK, and now we have our sheet. To insert new views, you have to click the views. So this is a whole toolbar, and you're able to choose from any of these. And you can also go to Insert, Views, Projection, and you're able to choose. So to get the view of the fishing reel, you have to open this up and click Front View. Now once it's highlighted, click Window, click the fishing reel, and now we're able to select the part that we want. So you already have to have the component that you want to create the view of open, and from it you're able to select a plane, and you can see that we're getting different views. Now when you select it, you can see the preview in the bottom right hand corner, and it's just going to show you what you're going to get. So it's a good idea to either take it from a plane or from a flat surface. So once you have it, click OK, and it's automatically going to bring it into the drawing. Now right now it's not positioned how I would like it, so you're able to rotate it until you get the position you like. You're also able to click that green dot and drag it all the way around until you get the position you want. You can also flip it around, and it just lets you manipulate it to get the orientation that you're looking for. Once you like it, just click on the sheet and you're going to have your drawing view. Now you're able to drag it, so let's drag it to the bottom left corner here, and let's make our top and right hand view. Now with the front view, we're able to create that front view, and from it we're going to derive our other two views from it. So let's open up the views and then go to projection view. Using the projection view, we're able to create the top and the right, and you can see in the display how it looks. It's showing you that you're able to derive it from one and create another. So click projection view, and if you put it up top, you're going to get the top view. If you put it to the right, you're going to get the right view. So let's do both. Put it to the right, and then let's put one to the top. So now we have our front view and our top and side view. Now all we need is our isometric view. To do this, click the isometric view and then go back to the part. So we'll go back to the fishing reel step file, and what you do is just position it exactly how you want to see it on the drawing. So if you want to see it like this, position it just like that, click on it, and you're going to get that view. So just click anywhere and you're going to get that exact view. Drag it into the space you want it in, click on the background, and it's created your view. So from the part file that we had before, we're able to create our front, top, and side view along with our isometric view. So whenever you're creating a view, you need to have the part or assembly open, and you're going to have to toggle back with the windows. So like I showed, when you click the front view, you're going to have to go through the window and select which one you want to make it of. And then from there, we use the projection view to make the top and the right hand view, and the isometric to create the isometric view. So this is how you're going to be inserting and creating your drawing views from the part files and assembly files that we've created before. And that concludes our tutorial on inserting drawing views within Catia V5.